Hi everyone, my name is David White and I'm the Content Marketing Director at Connected Free. Today I want to share a super quick vlog on international link building. I actually want to show you how to use a tool called BuzzSumo to help you build links internationally. So for those of you that don't know, BuzzSumo is like a social listening tool. It offers features such as checking content for the number of backlinks. It shows you keyword research. It will even show you the most socially engaged pieces of content around whatever subject or keywords or topics that you are looking for. So what you can do is you can use BuzzSumo to take insights from different countries before you start your idea, before you start your PR campaign. Now, imagine, for the sake of this talk, that we are working with a travel client in the Polish market. What you can do is you can input the key terms and the topics that are relevant to you into BuzzSumo. So as you can see here, I've inputted the word holiday in Polish into BuzzSumo. Now, just firstly, I know that the phrase holiday is very vague and very top line, but I've done that on purpose just to sort of get this mechanic across. What you can then do is you can say to BuzzSumo, show me people who have written about this subject on .pl domains. And what it will do is it will bring up a list of articles around your chosen topic in your country, in the country that you want to target. What you can then do is export all that information into an Excel sheet. Now, it will bring up loads of information around that content. It will show you the date, who wrote it, the URL structure, how many shares it got, how many backlinks it got, even how it was visualized. So the first thing to do is to delete all the articles that got zero or low number of links. Once you've done that, what you'll be left with is a list of highly engaged pieces of content around the subject that you want to cover in the country that you want to cover. Now, even if that content you are looking at wasn't created for link building purposes, it doesn't matter. If it got no links, delete it, because you're wanting to extract an insight from the Polish market. You're wanting to understand what is it that journalists will link to within that country around this subject. So you're left with this list of content, like I say, around the topic you want to cover in the country you want to cover, which is all being linked to, which has all gained decent amounts of link numbers. What you can then do is create a pivot table and find the value of each content type. So the value of each content type is a bit of a fluffy way that BuzzSumo says how it was visualized. And once you've done that, you can create a pie chart and you will have something similar to this. So what this shows me is that list features around the subject of holiday in the Polish market are the most likely to get links. Now, that sounds quite obvious, doesn't it? Best family-friendly holidays, best ski holidays, etc., etc. But you can be more granular in when you're inputting them keywords or them topics or them subjects into BuzzSumo. So you could have put family-friendly holidays and cheap holidays, and it would have brought up content surrounding that. But like I said at the beginning of this video, I was quite vague on purpose just to get the mechanic across. So if I was going to work with a travel client in the Polish market and I was thinking of doing a campaign with a video, I might want to think again, because what this shows me is that videos get less amount of links than list features or general articles or how-to guides. I did the exact same within the UK, and what it shows me is that general articles actually get more links than list features. So I used the phrase holiday this time. Now, general articles are everything from new products, data-led surveys, all that kind of information. So every country is different, and you can use this tactic to look at the countries that you want to target, look at the subjects that you want to target, and work out how to visualize the content so it's more likely to get links. Like I say, it was a super quick vlog. I just wanted to share this because this has worked with us at Connected Free across multiple territories, and hopefully you find it useful. If you have any questions or anything like that, feel free to reach out to me on Twitter or through the C3 site. And thank you, and stay safe.